Hey, if you get our newsletter, you already have seen all the things that are on sale this week at Gigaparts Technology Superstore. Like this here in the camera section, the Lumix G9 II. Perfect camera for taking pictures of the kids at the pumpkin patch this month. Yep. And right now the 2 basically stands for $200 off. And other camera deals, up to $500 off select Canon cameras. And up to $1,000 off select Nikon cameras. Do you want to get the jump on holiday deals? This MSI gaming PC is now $300 off. Our 3D printing classes have been awesome recently. It seems like everybody's getting into it. And right now is a great time too, because Bamboo Labs has one of their best printers on sale right now. $100 off the P1S by itself or with the combo. If you're ready to make money off of your tech interests, this Garrett metal detector is a great starter, and it's now $25 off. Tech gadgets are a must for everyday use. Nitecore flashlights, batteries, headlamps, knives, all on sale right now, 10% off. The #1 rated amateur radio, the Yaesu FT DX101D, $500 off right now. Switchback first aid kit refill packs, a permanent price drop, nearly $100, now just $49.95. And weather radios, the Sea Crane CC Radio 3, NOAA weather radio with Bluetooth and a 2-meter ham band, and it's portable, $20 off. They top off your cart with a mystery box. You'll be glad you did. $20, $50, $100. We've even got $250 mystery boxes right now.